What's the meaning of austerity? Austerity. Austerity.
Austerity. Austerity. Austerity refers to a set of economic policies that aim to reduce government spending and increase revenue in order to decrease budget deficits. It often involves cuts to social welfare programs, public services, and government jobs. The goal of austerity is typically to stabilize or reduce government debt, but it can also result in negative consequences such as increased poverty, unemployment, and social unrest. The effectiveness of austerity measures in achieving their intended goals is a topic of debate among economists.